In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. If you've been scrolling through TikTok and noticed that everyone seems to be using dark mode except you, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to access the dark mode option directly from the TikTok desktop interface. This is especially helpful if the dark mode toggle isn't appearing where you expect it in the app or on the website. First, open TikTok in your browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to your profile dashboard. You can do this by looking toward the top right area of the screen and clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon. This will take you straight to your main profile page, where you see your videos, likes, and other account details. It's important that you're on your profile, because the option we're looking for appears from this view. Now that you're on your TikTok profile dashboard, move your attention to the left side of the screen. At the very bottom of the left sidebar, you should see a small menu option labeled More. This is often represented by 3 dots or a similar icon, and it can be easy to miss if you're not looking closely. Go ahead and click on More. This opens up an additional panel of settings and quick options that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Within this expanded menu, look carefully for an icon that looks like a small moon. This moon icon is TikTok's shortcut for dark mode. If the dark mode option wasn't obvious in your standard settings, this is where it usually appears on the desktop interface. Once you've found that moon symbol, simply click on it. After you click, your TikTok interface should instantly switch from light mode to dark mode. Give the page a second or two to refresh visually. You should now see a darker background, lighter text, and an overall theme that's easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same More menu and toggle the moon icon again. And that's all you need to do to fix the TikTok dark mode option not showing and successfully turn on dark mode from your profile dashboard.